Hello everyone, welcome to PUC Online Classroom. Today we are moving on to the next activity. But before I start the next activity, so let me wrap up or review the grammar points that we have learned. Alright, so the first one is about describing problems one. Okay, as you can see right here, in order to describe problems, we can use past participle as adjectives to describe it, or you can use nouns. All right, so when it comes to past participle as an adjective, we have certain form, we have subject, to be, and verb 3. Verb 3 right here is past participle, and the function is adjective, not a verb. Okay, except leaking, everyone, you have to use in a continuous form. It is an active meaning, not passive meaning. Okay, there is an exception. And we also can use noun to describe problems. Okay, so you can use two forms if you remember this. So we have it or they, has or have, plus noun. Noun refers to the problem. Okay, and you can use there is or there are. It depends on the forms. So you can use it or they have or has, or you can use there is or they are with the problems, right? Okay, so the next one is about describing problems too. Okay, so when you want to describe the problem, instead of using the first one, you can use keep. And when you use keep, you need to use gerund after that. All right, keep plus gerund to describe about the problem that is happening. Okay, and when it comes to the problem, we need to give solution. So in order to give a solution, we can use need. And need right here, we have two different ways: need plus gerund and need plus passive infinitive. Okay, so need plus gerund is just like verb ing, it's about solution. Need plus passive infinitive to be verb 3 is about solution as well. And the meaning of this two is the same, but the difference is only the form. All right. Okay, so let's go to next activity. Number 10, this is about listening. Repair jobs. I think you can refer to the listening track that I attached, and then you just go to that listening and find out the answer for this two question. Okay, so you have to listen to three people, Joe, Louise, and Sam, and try to answer to two questions right here. What does this person or each person repair? What is the typical problem or the common or the normal problem? All right. Okay, number 11 right here is about a critical online review. Of course, I'm not going to ask you to write a review, okay? But right here, I just want to explain what it is exactly. So a review is just like feedback that you have to write about a certain kind of product or text or technology, or maybe the item that you purchase, and then you have to write the review. But this one is a critical online, which is about the negative feedback, and mostly you need to talk about the negative points of the product or the service. All right, the item that you purchase online. Okay, all right, so this is about the review, and you can just write about the negative one whenever you get bad products when you purchase something online. All right. Okay, so that's it for this activity. I'm not going to ask you to write, but I just want to explain exactly what it is. Okay, so let's go to the last activity, reading the value of upcycling. Okay, so maybe you don't understand the word upcycling, right? But if you take a look at the sign right here, maybe you can guess exactly what it means, right? It's about recycle. So because there's none, let's say it is non-stop, right? It keeps moving. All right, so it's about recycling. So your job is to read this text, everyone. There's 3 paragraphs right here. So go from the first to the last paragraph to understand what it is. And when you finish this, everyone, you can go to exercise A, read the article, then for each statement check true, false, or not given. All right, so just go through number 1 to 6 and try to compare the meaning of this sentence with the text in the meaning in the text. All right, so that if it is the same, then check true. If it is opposite, check false. If it doesn't say, so you can check not given. All right. And there are some difficult words right here. I think you can use your own dictionary to check and find out about the meanings. Okay. If you cannot find it, you can ask me, but I think you can find from your own dictionary. All right. Okay, so when you finish part A, everyone, you can go to part B, look at the photos. What do you think each product is made of? Okay, so right here we have car parts, chopsticks, pans, safety pins, wooden boards. Okay, so these are, I'm sorry, these are something that we use to make something. All right, let's say the materials, and these are the products. I think you can possibly get some kind of 2 or 3 answers right by just looking at this picture. All right, and don't worry everyone, I will give you all the answers for this lesson later. I think that's it for today everyone. If you have any questions, just leave your question in our Telegram group chat and I will try my best to answer to your question as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone. Goodbye.